Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Samsung monitor switching from HDMI to analog. Here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit where the people shared their opinion and solution regarding this. So this is the first thing you need to try. Is your HDMI cable plug into the graphic card or the mobile? The another people says that it plug in the motherboard. Then plug it into the GPU and reboot your 3900X, assuming that what you have because it's the build in your profile does not have onboard graphics. And another people says that it works. So the first thing you need to check is your HDMI cable plug into the graphic card. Plug it into the GPU and reboot. This is the first thing you need to try. Here you will see another people says that I plug my monitor into the laptop. Was away from the few days with my laptop and returned to find that once plug in. The monitor would not turn on, just switch between analog and HDMI. My laptop has 4 USB-C ports, 2 on either side. I had accidentally plugged the monitor into the left side. I switched it to the right and the monitor turned on immediately. I guess the left side has a different function I was not aware of. You might also have this problem if your dongle you are using. I have one to give me USB ports is not compatible. So this is the second thing you need to check. So this is the second thing you need to try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.